The long-awaited baby Toyota Land Cruiser is here, and it looks just as adorable and rugged as we hoped. Toyota revealed the little SUV just ahead of the Tokyo Mobility Show, and it adopts the FJ suffix like the dearly departed FJ Cruiser, and of course all the full-size Land Cruisers that preceded it. Details are a little thin at the moment, but it sounds like it will be plenty capable. The chunky and boxy fenders and flares, and even the big rear pillars are all dead ringers for that concept. That's not to say there aren't changes. The FJ has truly circular running lights available to emphasize the retro connection, and a vintage Toyota wordmark badge sits between them. The amount of plastic cladding has increased, and the proportions look a little taller and narrower than the old concept. It also has classic off-road features, such as an outside-mounted, full-size spare tire and side-hinge tailgate. Under the hood is a 2.7-liter inline-four with 161 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. The transmission is a 6-speed automatic, and there's part-time four-wheel drive. Toyota also says additional bracing under the floor helps make it tougher off-road, and the front and rear bumper covers are removable if you misjudge an approach and scrape things up. It's all extremely adorable and bears more than a passing resemblance to the family SUV on Bluey. The interior is more like it, all big square lines and barely a concession to style. Oh, there is an infotainment screen, but the rest of the switchgear and gauges look like they could have come straight out of 1985. That said, the prototype we saw did have Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, and airbags. It even includes some form of Toyota's safety sense system. The Land Cruiser FJ steps up the luxury and equipment over the Hilux Champ with a circa 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen offering satellite navigation and a 7.0-inch driver display. The steering wheel, switchgear, and gear shifter all draw inspiration from the Prado, but the conventional handbrake lever shows its more humble underpinnings. Available features visible include a heated steering wheel, heated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and parking cameras. There's a simple digital instrument cluster, chunky gear lever, and plenty of physical switches, surrounded by what looks like lots of hard-wearing, family-friendly materials. Large grab handles on the A-pillar are another typical Land Cruiser styling cue. Toyota says the corners of the front and rear bumpers are removable for easier repairability, while there are modular lightweight, load-carrying equipment panels on offer to fit accessories that can boost cargo carrying capacity. There is a choice between circular and C-shaped headlights, depending on options, as well as accessories such as snorkels, rock sliders, roof racks, different bumper corners, and, in one image released by Toyota, an ARB bash plate. For now, North American Toyota offerings will be restricted to models on the brand's NGA platform, which are at least fairly broad. Buyers do still have a choice of a Land Cruiser or a 4Runner, along with multiple trims of the Tacoma pickup. Toyota does even sell the latter with a genuine 6-speed manual, despite a pretty meager take rate.